Oh my god, guys, look at my FC points. Hello people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited FC points for FC Mobile. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything magic, guys. It's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings, and you will find user ID. Just copy. Let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found an our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our FC points. So I'll go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. So AP connecting, let's see the next step. Okay, AP connected, scroll down and just click I am not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the code check. Your FC points are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my FC points. It's actually generating. I can't believe it, guys. So that is pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.